It's not time to make a change. Just relax and take it easy. You're still young.
My mom was saying, why there? What are you going to do there? Are you going to bring somebody home from there? Are you going to marry somebody there?
I came from a family of 14 in South Texas, and so my dad had seen different types of activities, but this was a surprise. Being an engineer, they couldn't fathom me giving up that salary.
I remember my father was really kind of upset. Again, being lower working class, I've just got an engineering degree, I can go out and make good money. What are you doing? And I said, Dad, there's plenty of time to do that. That's what I want to do. And just before I left, he actually sat me down in the bedroom I grew up in and said he was proud of what I was doing, which was really important because he died while I was in Tanzania.
Now there's a way, and I know that I have to go away. I know I have